Welcome learners to Puri Padhai. In this tutorial of the HTML video series, we will learn about HTML comments. Comment tags are used to insert comments in HTML. Now the syntax for writing the HTML comments in the editor is followed by exclamatory mark and then two dash signs, and then we will write the comment. Comments are not displayed by the browser. Yes, the comments which you write in the editor are not displayed in the browser, or the user cannot understand what, or it will be not also visible to the user, but they can help to document your HTML file for company clients or for ourselves. So it increases the readability of the whole code that you have written. With comments you can place reminders in your HTML. This is an example. Okay, so now we will be going to Notepad++ editor, where practically we will be understanding what this comment in HTML is all about. So this is this heading we have written. So for example, if we remove this tag, okay, if we remove this tag and then we will save this file. So currently you can see we have not written anything. It is just a paragraph tag heading, and we will save this file in the folder of HTML. Okay, test30.html. I will be giving this file name test30.html. We're going back to the destination, opening up the file in the Google Chrome. Let's see. So here you can see it's a general thing which is written. There is no such thing is there. Also, if we include this heading comment also, that this is the heading, also then we will press Ctrl+S, reload this page, then too also nothing will happen over here. User will not see any changes. So basically it is increasing the readability of us who are writing the program. See, this is heading. Let me first show you one more example. If you visit a website, for example godivine.com, or also you can take an example of Puri Padhai also, but this is also a website, a big website you can see over here. So lot of coding is required over here. So let us first go to the Godivine website. Here you can see this is a big website. Now writing the code of such a website could be very hectic, and I want to show you also the code of this entire website. Now this is the whole code of that website which I have shown you. See, so much code. You can see the scroll bar, it's too much. The code is quite big. Now how to increase the readability of this code? For example, see over here you can read container about us, about section. For example, in the whole code, if we remove this section, it will be very tough to understand where I have written actually the about us section of that HTML page. It will be very understand, because I have also written this code, but then too it will be very difficult for me also to understand, because all the code will be mixed up. Then it will be very tough. So this comment tag helps me as a programmer to understand my code. It's not for the user. This thing we have to understand, learners. It's not for the user, it's for us. We understand our code nicely. That's why we use comment tag in our codes. So, and again you can see there is one more comment section of portfolio section. What would be the portfolio section? Same like there are much more comment section which increases the readability. For example, if you want to give this whole website code, if you are working in a company, in an organization, and you are an employee over there, you have created a website in a project, then you have left that company, and if the second employee that is being hired by the company, that person will come, will open up your code, and the way you have written the code, see over here, the way you have written the code, it will be very easy for him also, because he also knows the HTML very well. For him also it will be very easy to understand that what is this code all about. Okay, this part is the container portfolio section, this part is the about us section. It will be very clear. So this part we will edit, and then the changes will be there. So basically it is increasing the readability of the users. So people can understand like this. Even though if you want to give this code to your users also, they can also understand if they are knowing the HTML. So it's not, comment tag is not for the user, it is for the programmer to increase the readability of their code. So hope learners you would have understood the concept of comment tag. This is not for the user, it for the programmer itself to increase the readability. You can see with comments you can place reminders in your HTML file. Okay, comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help to document your HTML file. Document your HTML file here means that yes, it will increase your readability, or you can file up your document also to represent to somebody. So this was all about HTML comments, that it is not for the users but it is for the programmer for their own benefit. So thank you learners. Now we will meet in the next tutorial of this HTML video series. Till then, happy coding.
Your feedback is valuable for all. So please comment, like and share with your friends. Thank you.